Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Mariam here. Today we are making a weight loss drink, an effective belly fat burner drink. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's dive in. So these are the fruits we are going to use to make our weight loss drink, and I'll be using one medium size of pineapple, one large green apple, and also some lemons. I'm not going to use all the lemons, okay? And I also have my ginger here. So basically this is what we are going to need to make our drink, okay? I want to take this opportunity to say something small about weight loss. I have a friend who always tell me that, Mariam, I think weight loss is not for me. And I asked her why. And she said anytime she tried to lose weight, that is when she even gained more. And I understand her, because there are certain things that we do and it contributes to weight gain and we don't know it, or we don't notice that. So if you think you are actually trying your best to lose weight, and then on the other hand you are actually gaining, so you think your effort is fruitless. But the thing is, weight gain and weight loss is a simple theory. If you consume more than you spend for the day, if I say spend, I mean the activities, the things you do for the whole day, that means that you're going to gain, because the extra calories you consume are going to store as fat, and that is going to contribute to weight gain. And a situation whereby you take less, like you eat lesser than what you spend, like the activities you do for the day is more than the food that you consume for the day, you are going to lose weight. And when it balanced too, you are going to maintain weight. Some people found it difficult to lose weight, and a great percentage depend on their lifestyle, but they may not know. This drink is an effective drink that helps to reduce weight and also burn belly fat. But please try to add a little bit of exercise to it. If you try this recipe and it's not working for you, then maybe it may be your lifestyle. So I will advise you to see a dietitian or a nutritionist for a dietary consult. And if you have a stomach ulcer, please, this recipe is not for you. There are so many methods and even tricks on how to lose weight, okay? If you see a dietitian, he or she can take you through all those things. Weight loss is a journey for some people. If you try a method or a recipe and it's not working for you, don't give up. Don't say that weight loss is not for me, okay? Don't say that. Keep on pushing. Try other methods. Check your dietary intake, okay? Cut down your sugary foods intake. Watch the time you take your last meal and the time you go to bed is very important. So we are done with the pineapple and also the apple. I like talking too much, forgive me guys. And now we are dealing with the lemon. So this is what I love to do. I press and roll to make it very juicy. So I then divide it into two and then sprinkle the lemon juice on the apple so that it doesn't turn brown. Alright, so we set that aside. So then go ahead and divide the lemons into two. Just like I said earlier, I'm not going to use all the lemons, okay? So lovely, so then go ahead and squeeze out the lemon juice. If you don't have orange squeezer, don't worry, you can just use your hand and then squeeze out the juice, okay? Alright, we are done here, and this is what I had from 2.5 lemons. It's not bad and it's very juicy as well. And the last thing we are going to add is ginger. So I then go ahead, cut into smaller pieces to make it easy to blend. Alright, we are going to need our blender, and then we transfer the apple, the pineapple, and then the ginger all in the blender. And then add water to it. So guys, I don't have any socket closed, so I'm going to blend this. I will be back. And I am back. So it's time to serve. Don't strain the drink, okay? Don't strain it. You need the fiber, and don't add sugar to it because sugar also contributes to weight gain, and here we are trying to lose weight, not to gain, so don't add sugar. The last thing we are going to add is lemon juice. The reason why I separate the lemon juice is that maybe you are not the only one in the house and you are the only one interested in losing weight, so you only add the lemon juice to your own, okay? So lovelies, let's have a taste. Oh wow, so refreshing. Please take this drink first thing in the morning and let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.